Zelle, friend-to-friend payments, but do you need a bank account? Ever needed to split a dinner bill with friends, pay a roommate back for rent, or send a quick gift to a loved one? In today's digital age, the need for easy and secure money transfers is more important than ever. That's where Zelle comes in, a popular peer-to-peer, P2P, payment service promising speedy transactions directly between friends and family. But here's the question, can you use Zelle without a bank account? This might be a deal breaker for some, especially younger viewers or those who prefer alternative financial solutions. Let's dive deep and explore the nitty-gritty of Zelle and see if it works for you. The allure of Zelle: fast, convenient money transfers. Imagine this, you're out with friends, enjoying a delicious meal, and the bill arrives. Fumbling for cash becomes a thing of the past with Zelle. You simply open your banking app, select Zelle, enter your friend's phone number or email address linked to their account, and voila! Money is sent securely, often within minutes. That's the beauty of Zelle. It integrates seamlessly with many existing banking apps, eliminating the need for cash or complex money transfers. Splitting rent with roommates, paying back a loan, or sending a birthday gift across town, Zelle makes it all a breeze. So, can you ditch the bank account? Not quite. Here's the catch: while Zelle boasts convenience, it does require a bank account in most cases. To use Zelle, you typically need to link either a checking or savings account from a participating bank or credit union to the service. This linked account acts as the source or destination for your P2P transactions. A workaround: the limited use of prepaid cards, with an asterisk. There's a potential loophole, but it comes with limitations. Some select Visa or MasterCard debit cards, specifically reloadable prepaid cards, might be accepted by Zelle for enrollment. However, this isn't a guaranteed option. The key lies in finding a prepaid card that requires information like a phone number, billing address, and email address during registration. These details often mimic a traditional bank account, making them somewhat compatible with Zelle. Important caveats: proceed with caution. Even if you manage to enroll a prepaid card, be aware of restrictions. Not all prepaid cards work with Zelle, and some banks might have limitations on the amount you can send or receive using this method. Always check with your card issuer and bank for specific details before attempting a transaction. Security first: Zelle safeguards and your role. Zelle emphasizes secure transactions. They utilize various measures to protect your information, including encryption and fraud detection tools. However, security is a two-way street. Here are some essential tips to remember. Only send money to people you know and trust. Double-check the recipient's information before sending money. A typo can lead to your funds landing in the wrong account. Beware of Zelle scams. If someone you don't know asks you for money through Zelle, it's likely a scam. Never share your financial information or account details with strangers. Zelle, a handy tool, but not a universal solution. While Zelle offers a convenient way to send and receive money between friends and family, its reliance on bank accounts might be a barrier for some. Hopefully, the future might hold wider compatibility with alternative financial solutions. In the meantime, remember, Zelle generally requires a linked bank account. Prepaid cards might work in some cases, but proceed with caution and check limitations. Always prioritize security, be wary of scams, and only send money to trusted individuals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.